Hello everybody, my name is Dan from Triangle X and I'm here with Shimon. So this is the second time I'm recording this because the video I recorded with Shimon got deleted, but only for the first part of this video. Shimon won't be here, but it's fine. In the next two parts it's gonna be he will be here. So I will just go around and explain what will happen. So this is the second tutorial in the Simple Python series, and we're gonna learn about variables, printing and if statements. Variables you're gonna learn with me, and printing and if statement is gonna be me and Shimon. So it's gonna work like this. I will write a line of code and then we will explain it. So let's get started. The first line is gonna be x is equal to 4. Now, so we have a variable that is called x and it's equal to 4, as you can see right here. And so that means that x is an integer number. So it's a whole number. So if I put here point, I don't know what, it won't be an integer anymore. So the next line we're gonna write, it's y equals to, let's say, 4.5 right here. So y isn't an int anymore because it has a point, it has a fractional value, so it's a float variable. Of course it's Python, so you don't need to classify what is what. So if I type here an int, it just type me an error, so you don't need to do it. So you can just tell it to do like that. Well, that's this part. That next part, Shimon.
The third line will be print hello world.
So you probably expect that a computer will print a piece of paper with hello world written on it.
Well, that won't happen, because what will happen is the console would write it hello world.
As you can see before. What you can also do with the print command is to write variables in the console.
So then we'll change the line now to print x and add a new line below it, print y.
That will write the variables x and y in the console. So you will see 4 and below it 4.5.
So now down we'll write an if statement.
An if statement is a way to set up requirements for a program so it can do something.
For example, if 4 greater than 2, then print hello world.
When you write an if statement, it's recommended to add an else statement after.
So when the program doesn't get to the requirements, it can still continue, so then we'll write else print by world.
Of course, the program will print hello world because 2 is always smaller than 4. Well, that's all the time we have today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Bye.
Let it go, ain't my bad.